Morning, everybody. A quick update from the Wednesday night trip to Sacramento Raceway. It was the first night season opener of the Wednesday night street legal drags. It was a big turnout, almost 200 cars, 175 cars or so. So we didn't get many passes in. Matter of fact, we only got two. And just arriving, let's see, what time was this pass? So I got there at 6, so my first pass was 7:14. Only got two passes in for tonight, 7:14, and then 8:30. Track closes at 9, so I couldn't circle back and get another pass. But anyway, first pass 11:88 at 116. Not a real good 60 foot. I launched at I had the two-step set at 6,200 RPM, and that was 171. Second pass, and I did get a GoPro of this pass, which obviously was a bust at a 1380. There was somebody had dropped a bunch of dirt on the line. You could see actually tire tracks of dirt on the track, and they were up there with a torch trying to dry up the lane. So somebody spilled some stuff. So anyway, the car just smoked the tires off the line, and then I just kind of ho-hummed it down the track. But updates for the car, and as far as the nitrous kit is, we do have all of our nitrous installed here, so we're good there. We do have our purge line is set, as you can see there. We got the purge all set. Everything's plumbed in here, so that's all good to go. And then we've got I'm getting all the wiring, relays and everything all set up over here, getting all this ready to go. And that's the power cable will go directly to the battery for the two solenoids. Purge button. So you're getting all this set, but really I think I want to go ahead and pull this engine out. I'd rather not spray on this engine because it's got the hyper-eutectic pistons, and we'll put this in with the Trickflows and the Big Dog. These are the ported stage 2 Big Dog Trickflow heads, and I've got the stage 2 manifold, Explorer manifold to go with that, and these got the 86 pistons, which are forged, so I feel a little safer spraying on that. We'll go ahead and switch that over and get ready for the spray and go from there. So anyway, that's the update. Should have the nitrous installed this weekend. We may make a small test hit. Oh, I also installed this catch can. I did notice, obviously when installing the nozzle and everything like that, that I had just a tiny little bit of oil in the throttle body there, which I cleaned up, just wiped it out with a rag, nothing excessive. And when I had the upper off, there wasn't a bunch of oil in the intake manifold, but obviously there's some oil coming through the PCV, and it's only this hose here. There's obviously this is your fresh air intake, but nothing's coming up the breather. So anyway, I got this catch can installed here. It's for the closed system. I do have a breather can go on the top, but you'll have to take out the PCV valve. But anyway, yeah, this one hose here did have a little bit of oil in it, and I think it's dripping a little bit of oil into the throttle body. So we got that installed, got our purge kit installed, and now we're just wiring everything up. Got all the wires, solenoids are grounded to the firewall here, and the wires are run into the car. And now I'm just finishing up wiring up the relays. The battery relocation worked fine in the back there, so that's all good to go. And that's where we're at with this. Pulled off a 1188, so somewhat in line with not that great track prep, and it looked like there was a pretty strong headwind also last night. It was breezy. I had to actually wear my race jacket and a hoodie underneath that. It was pretty cold out there. So anyway, that's the update. Thanks.